Hello, hello, hello! I'm Hamid Reza, and today we're gonna learn the days of the week. But first, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start! Seven days? There are 7 days in a week? What are they? Don't you know? No? No problem. Let's say them together. When I was a kid, we had this song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Easy, innit? Weekday or weekend? Do you know the difference? No? Not a problem. Weekdays are when people go to work or school. So Monday to Friday, when people go to work or school. Weekend is when people usually relax. So it's Saturday and Sunday, when people usually relax. So weekdays, work or school. Weekend, rest and fun. Okay. Today, yesterday, tomorrow. Let's learn what comes before and after. Imagine today is Wednesday. Shh! Remember, we don't say this day. In English, we say today. Imagine today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. The day after tomorrow is Friday. Yesterday was Tuesday. The day before yesterday was Monday. Let's have a break. I need some chocolate. Small f, big problem. In English, the days of the week always start with a capital letter. So, Friday with a small f, that's wrong. But Friday with a big F, that's correct. Okay. Wait. On Monday or Monday? Which one? We say on before the days of the week. Like, I have a meeting on Monday. Let's go to the park on Saturday. Remember, always say on plus day of the week. At the weekend or on the weekend? Gosh! Which one? In British English we say at the weekend. I relax at the weekend. But in American English we say on the weekend. We go hiking on the weekend. Okay, they mean the same thing, right? Right. So both are correct. I see. Wait, every week or every other week? We often talk about routines with every. I play football every Saturday. We have English lessons every Monday. But every other week means once every 2 weeks. For example, we go to the cinema every other week. It means 1 week yes, 1 week no. Got it? Three-day weekend? Yes, please. Usually the weekend is 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. But sometimes we get one more day. That's called a long weekend. It can start on Friday, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or it could go until Monday. So Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. For example, we have a long weekend because Monday is a holiday. Our long weekend starts on Friday. I love long weekends. More time to relax or travel. So remember, long weekend means 3 days, not 2. Fortnight? What's that? Don't you know? No? Don't worry. Let's have a look. A fortnight means 2 weeks. So when we say in a fortnight, it means in 2 weeks. For example, my birthday is in a fortnight. We'll finish the project in a fortnight. Our trip is in a fortnight. Simple. Fortnight means 14 days. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.